Okay, YouTube, we're picking up this week where we left off last week. Starting to put new wood in the Grady white. So we'll pick up doing the last of the fiberglass on the floor panels and then start putting the wood in the boat. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. I've ground down the section of floor I took out. I'm mixing up some resin, and I'm going to start coating the plywood and the section of floor with the polyester resin. Let's start off with some resin. Not the most exciting thing in the world. It's almost like painting. Basically, I'm just wetting out the wood. There's the ever popular roll of paper towels. Putting resin on the bottom and resin on the top. I changed resin. Originally, I was using some resin from the local marine store. This comes from FGCI in St. Petersburg. It's right south of, well, Clearwater. It's one of these big places where they bring stuff in tanker trucks and split it up into 55 gallons, five-gallon buckets, and they put it in gallons and quarts. And I remember when they were just a little place. Further south of where they're at today. Today they got a big, huge place. You can find them on the web, fgci.com. There's a lot of places in Florida that sell resin and stuff like this. Although they say the place that's got the most boats is Michigan. I thought that was surprising. Probably got just a little too much resin. Seems to be a little wet. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm going to set this one aside and get started on the next one. Well, I made two more bulkheads. I've cut them out and put 1708 fiberglass. If you know what 1708 is, it's 17-ounce biaxial and 8-ounce chop strand mat stitched together. That's called 1708. And I've put it on both sides using the handy dandy little brush here, and just need to wait for it to cure, and then I'll trim everything and move to put this into the boat. Making progress here. Keep working away at it. got a lot done this week. Took out this piece of floor. Got a piece of wood puttied in. Started putting in the fillet. I've got a new piece made over here. A new bulkhead. And I've got a new one ready to add some putty and some resin to slide in there. And back here, here are the pieces of floor that I cut out. I put wood on. So, but that wraps up another week. Plus, I managed to get a haircut. So, it's 85 and humid here, but that's just the way winter is in South Florida. That wraps it up for the week. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.